Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with a spy shots of the Audi A3 Sportback before its reveal later on this year. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Prototypes of Audi's next generation A3 Compact have been spotted. The prototypes are now the hatchback body style referred to as the A3 Sportback, but development on the new A3 sedan should be taking place alongside it. The new A3, which represents the 4th generation of the nameplate, is being developed around an updated versions of the Volkswagen Group's MQB modular platform, the current versions of which features in the current A3. The updated platform debuted this year in the next generation Volkswagen Golf. The new A3 should arrive in 2020 as a 2021 model. It will follow a similar formula to the current model, with its styling likely to be close to what we see on the latest A1 Sportback subcompact sold overseas. The prototypes reveal more pronounced body sculpting than on the current model and wider haunches that really lend the vehicle a muscular look. The most recent testers also sport the production lights, which at the front features Audi Matrix LED technology. The new A3 will borrow its mechanicals from the new Volkswagen Golf, including the plug-in hybrid powertrain that's lined up for the next Golf GTE. The Audi will also share the latest generation Golf's lineup of regular petrol engines, many of which will feature 12-volt and 48-volt mild hybrid system. However, Audi is not planning an all-electric versions of the new A3. An A3 Cabriolet will arrive few years into the new model's lifespan. Despite being a small seller, another A3 saloon looks likely too, given its strong sales number, and Audi could even introduce a longer four-door coupe versions of the A3, rivaling the new Mercedes CLA.